McBrown's Kitchen. Again, McBrown's Kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Good evening once again, Ghana. Me did na nama McBrown. Me the McBrown's Kitchen and a bro and a day so. Me mo akwa basron kokra. And I share me the diane pa a diane a winnimu. Name me kwan be brain ye faso yeno and a bro. But now what trema me? Na me fast dama high sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Sana Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Strength comes from within. Me pacho awake purified drinking water. One for life. Awake in here, one for life. Mrs. Subionumakai will say, awake. Yeah, 750 ml no. So what 10 packs here? Yeah, chow back free. Yeah, they count one for life. Awake ya damwasi. Sana me dan launcher kitchen. Launcher kitchen I am a kitchen for fair fee. I was young and then me ba me dear more. And untim dear more at de. Na na McBrown and more a wood just so. Unim na a 2 Dankasa royal aroma rice and then nubina me babedi me da gorgeous olive oil ase for anwa doctor we are saying in Agia tum at this time person so say and only olive oil e wo just so a number 1 me that delay mackerel ase delay sardine delay spaghetti if you me dance I was me be stew me be steaming nam Nya ye no de enam esi atre say ye be steamu anu ti we yamagi de we de shrimp with dry fish garlic and then wa would come with anu abon say yes we de anaka magi de me da mo ase sana me da royal kitchen with official Ghana's for chancing papa me de ye aduane ko Instagram na hwehwe beauty bowl salon and spa beauty bowl for ofro mo mbe joso na sa wo ye wedding na buku ma minti e be ma discount Mbesi kama me da Aligina makeover say and when your beauty boy there no Aligina so account na wasa hwehwe royal couture mata dey free royal couture me da say ma me ntwa me homra me ba pe me bro McBrown's Kitchen live
in 1967 high sense ada so cry boshem say ye de ye be ye home appliances eye papa na ne bo eda from ama ankra e wo wiase afa na nyina high sense yede wawa ye ho ne se ye nuoma ye no ebua nipa e wa konya se nyina so ene na mame musa we e de ben sa na wo hia refrigerator air conditioner television gas cooker electric cooker iron rice cooker washing machine steamer kettle mobile phone sound system and a blender e mo gra tutu na mo ne fa ko high sense showroom biem na gidi se ubenya de ne mo da fom paato esanse ye gie mo de se ye nuoma ye papenti high sense penny adwumaku a etimi ma 5 years warranty ye ni so wa woni ye didwa enti ye nsi wonfom na atade we ho na echi ba asem so a ye hwesiesie u kama enuoma ye papa enuoma efe efie enuoma ense ye nyina mahoden eno na high sense ye high sense everyday prices
2351 251.
My husband deserves the best jollof.
Yay!
And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch. Okay. Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Nat to help out, but she gets hopelessly stuck somewhere.
There's traffic in front of me.
What? So I call hubby, and he says,
What?
What are we going to do?
Relax, we've got this.
No, we don't. Now it's up to me and him to save the day. Are you okay? With help from something special, the new Dedede seasoning from Maggi. Specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients. To give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
You need to tell me how you got that Dedede taste.
And then later she says,
Come see me Monday morning. Let's talk about the new branch we're opening.
Just then Auntie Na shows up. And just when I thought the drama was over,
My daughter, let's go into business.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
McBrown's kitchen eduane pa ebusa for me mama kwaba. Me pa chow say someone say me intro no. So you musician and me don nyom na beba. We actress I just open poem bitro. DJ mamenyom na ha. So what I say? Fameye deserve so be no eduane. That's right. Let's go. Fameye. I just love you. Too much. DJ repeat. DJ repeat. Men of them show me see repeat. Let's go. Come on. Nothing I got. I love you. Come on. Sorry, I'm not point. Come on. Am I winning you? Nothing again. Come on, nothing again. Am I winning you? Nothing again. I'm winning you. Nothing again. DJ, thank you. Come on. Come here. Akwaba.
Me da se
ensure nie.
Come on, body da but me we na ehye me no. Nti me nya botra me start say me team fifiri wa ha.
Na de come on.
Be aka me ho down.
Wow, Abusiafo. Fameye in the kitchen. Yo Abusiansa munim say me ben me sinki ho dia na hand washing segment and I drew so and na sa ofan so tasty tom and rich tomato mix adaroma and masomu dia metimi edebrewi na ne nyina say tasty tom dera wo bo ede kire nyina efa covid-19 ho eno anogusu a wo boy na nasam na ne say ye momodia na yen kai adwadefo titiro aduane no afo chop bars restaurant say ye nyina ya moane ye ni hyehyɛ ya mpanyfo de atokwan mu a ye de bo covid-19 ho ban ye free ehun de betumi aya fam no yenye eno ti tasty tom and rich tomato mix aye ye wo Ghana heya tema heya aye fa hygienic process so eye no omun na den kai boy ama me say me famro ye ndidi ye tasty tom and rich tomato mix eno vitamin A vitamin E vitamin K vitamin D wo mu a eye eboa ema ye nipadua no ejina pintin yakutia ya rebebre enti ye do mu ase ti ye oriensa wiwe media penese bra Fameye so aba ai ensa no ohwe na onsa ye finpia maza madam o double ensa ai ohube bia kama ne because ebe no dia na say ebe so sa say the covid dia ye hu asa ba ya no kofofu sa agro
first me ka na ma fa normal but me tese nkofo ba ko mienu bi
free mo na say say umu yare no.
Ana me steady kakra.
McBrown's kitchen here said the money no. Say ya
Come on.
McBrown's kitchen no I just say Diana per day.
Ediane per day.
Hey, why ready one?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Family and neighbor.
Oh, and then me jollof and chicken wings. Akoko antaban. Maybe become
into the ingredients no. Me who tasty tom jollof mix. Yeah. You be jollof video be here.
Who be here?
That's right.
Me do mana simple.
Amen.
Moko green ketwa ne bi.
Ai papo.
Ana Mukosham. And all the fra come up.
Okay.
Akakadro ni bi ni.
Akakadro.
Ginger garlic. Ana Jenny
ankasa.
We dey any to ya. Chicken wings. Yeah.
Chicken wings.
Green pepper, green beans, carrot ra no ni.
Carrot ni.
Abano, lemon susu ni. Maggi ra. Yeah.
Budges ra. Okay. And chini ra. And awake ra. Na essence ra so.
Ono so.
Ya titi say who? Remeni.
Itino. Ma ataki we in first.
Oh, okay. Oh, tin say cry.
Okay. Nkra say me.
Oh, there be nyina kan.
Okay.
Ya be den na menye bi mu a.
Me twitwa no me yi ha no me matemu mi no. Ti obetumi aboa me.
Wow, you dey na me fa hwa so nye bi mu.
Okay. Correct. Ti me twa we say na.
Aya family chale. Now I'm pato wo nyini wan.
Mpato menyi obogoso. Me nana. Me ma me ne papa ka bibi nti me nana na me ne omotena. Kakra nti me di 9 years no ana me ba nkran.
Ene ho abetena.
Ene me yanti musuku kwa benya side no. Nti me bo ne nchen kakra me wie SE10 no. Me be wie na me ankasa me te me start say me tenatra. Adam fo nchen kakra sa.
Oh, okay.
Me ba hanoma na mabwa tena madina akwashema Ashoma Estate ne bebre
ane wabre
so to nyina atena hoda.
Wow.
Hoso na.
Wow.
Ntino
Jeba na
me na.
Okay. Ya dia chicken no ebesi jaso. Nti family da be na o start enyum to.
Enyum to ndie me chance ya chepa but na asa enyum na entoto so nti se me ntwantwa 7 8 9 ebedru. But as last year na Nankopon eton so go menyum to so a Ghana for bebre na
premier ni etese wo.
Ti me mia magi no me nu egu.
O de magi no begu
na.
Okay.
Makatos medase.
Magi de.
Magi de me nu.
A year ago, and nothing you get by.
Mbatan.
And attention no buy.
Mbatan.
Na sanya mwa na choy.
Oh, me ana me chome.
Oh, okay.
Me ana me chome. Enya nyumpa me choy. Asa me ye ko studio na producer no B2 or boy na me to no kakanga most of times ana me me no.
Oh, okay.
Me record no kakanga.
Intina busua ye magi de na edigu ye chicken no no. Eno na ye.
Nze yendru be bia but ehwampa.
Oh yes.
What today?
Me tepa.
Come on. Isi ano me be blend mukune ne jene ne garlic ne ginger ne bi.
Ade wow, wo fani na.
Maybe we may use have. We na mesane nyina. Okay.
Wow.
Maybe be to say gravy be in chain.
Oh, okay.
Send e be ya. Ye de be boss no.
That's right. Sa pepe. Oh, family uni mediane.
Come on.
Uni mediane. Na family sa nyom no. Ubetumi aka say obi na boa wa na say wa na one na nemu na lock pma.
Oh, me dem aboa for doors. But ni nyina mu nyame na edi kan ewom. I think say sanu kra me ye no. Na me ne man bi na ejuma ye friend no tetepa obogo so. But me release nyum no. Ti me be share Ogidi Brown no. Ana me ne madam fu bi ye friend no Kofi Strings. Ti ye video bi ana obo keta odua bi ase na video no call viral. And me ne time na me no gidi brown ana ye juma ana me ne kasa so ase nkofo fini enyum ne ntino
enkoye ni ye
ebe yanka oma yan drop enyum ne preko
okay
ana ye drop ya na start say
fa
e pick up kakra
ogidi brown de ona now as on no issue no
ay me ne benya issue kakra bi but
must solve right
o bibia e fa say problem dey ebe ba but
how am be fast from the solve ayo
I'm for the come
okay
Come on.
Okay. Fameye.
Yeah.
Me the amount. Fire the open.
Me shake akra. Egu na mo.
Na dia kana ye den.
O we na me mechi ho dia sauce ne si nchen. Pato we ne we.
Eni jina shu.
Me da se. O ma me chance sisia.
Sisia.
Bajan.
Okay. Ene mo sauce no ebesia.
That's
wow, what the any chicken any af. Ntino. Ya ba chi emeko no.
Okay.
Ya blend.
Okay, I think so I'm going to. Me moko no me pese me do green pepper kakra. E ka wona me de chiwe na ma emu ye de kam.
Wow. Nti do do sen ba kwa na mi.
Oh, me mi no.
Nti on so far wo nyom sen.
Me wo nothing I get, remix. Me wo obolo, me wo speed up, me wo destiny.
DJ Bombi obolo no. Sa nyom no. Yeah, me there.
Obolo
wa mantama me fakatia.
Come on. That's
hey, volume.
From here to Danzoma, which is in the Hey, abasisi. Me susuna sa abasisi. Ne obatele sa menanti. Abasisi ababa me. Come on, obolo. Bamantama me fakatia. Come on.
I love this song.
Bamantama.
Oh, Maya.
Obolo. Bamantama me fakatia. Sexy.
Anyway, there we go.
Crazy. If I don't see you tonight, you wait there, minty. In love, please, some love, cash it up, Mr. Easy. Yeah. Rana Yenji. Hey, I'm not to say, when Susura Sao Pepsi, now better than some auntie. One must see, I'm ever, come on, Obolo. One bantama, my fuck out.
Thank you so much. I am me down.
That's
Mommy blend them out. Onium sweat the whole, move the whole.
Onion is my favorite, my speed up.
Yes.
Me chasing time, but the magnet back with the feminine.
Okay. Yeah, the Maggie the bako, the Kunimo. Nti Fameye anyum ni nyina and 1 year you know it me drop over 10 songs.
Oh, me dey almost features party. No current film no current something.
And you features the baby. What the baby ah?
And I mean that.
And they say there's something you get you.
Oh yeah, nya bad. Nti nyoma course na nsia so my back dey am comfort kwade. Nti me title no crowd comfort kwade just to and I mean twena sebi asem to answer. Bese me carry say. I mean
you kafra yi am so mo.
Nye sure se me hianchi.
Nti eba ye nam no so.
Yeah.
Na ho so okay, we be kan ho so ntini.
Anu so you.
So.
Asa ambo ye mo kan chan.
Okay, I was saying tell you ever jollof no family what the tasty tom jollof mix never. Unim said you did no jollof no.
We no ye de no am konkomi no mi nsa no. But you say we na kunkum ni kakra bi na kan.
1 kg bi ah.
Nti me ne sa se chere so kwa bi am de ba ko be den. E be kan sa.
Oh, okay. Nti no na say we nim jollof mix ni.
Minim ni me pa.
Oh, okay. Nti e bia me e be chere so a me ma ba kon kan ho.
Preko.
Nti san ka me ensa na wetimi bia no a. Komu konkomi.
Ke no ano.
Oh, okay. And na say no jollof mix there's any jollof na simple.
Aben kra na si won.
Okay, nti me ma chance ho.
Nti ma me chance na. Me sure.
Jollof me pesa be no.
We no na. So we no me sure say ayo fine.
Chicken ayo okay.
I mean you freeze no fa we ni so ma.
Oh.
That's.
And energy so. Yeah, be jollof no. Yeah, you should tasty Tom jollof mix. Nti na ne say ya. What do one we see just so pe. Sharp. Then when me out tasty Tom jollof mix no. Wow.
Yeah, man, I shortcut, man.
Aye. We are finding jollof in a jiffy.
Jollof in a jiffy.
In a jiffy.
Enchekra.
Inti abusuan say ya. Inti na ne Fameye.
Pese me chi akoko no chicken.
Wo be so chicken.
Time ko. See ya try for we no kakra for me.
Aye. Okay.
Me me frying pan na nka.
Aye. No more frying pan na me dia ben wo.
Come on. Budget you know.
Budget wa. DJ me pese obo me nyumba ko abra. Fameye de ne chicken egu ejamu na nwamu. Fameye mo nyumba.
Ombo okonfo kwa dem mama.
Ye mo okonfo kwa dem mama.
Title no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
DJ bo me okonfo kwa dem. Ye hwe me ko no so e.
Come on. Anya se bia. Data na mini bi.
Oh. When I dedicate my father now.
When I'm dedicating my. I am in Caribbean every fear. I am in Caribbean every fear. I drop me apna and I said fear. I am in Caribbean every fear. Yeah.
On peut se mettre tout à chez vous.
Il veut si bien me son. Il veut si bien me son. Come on, me son. Il veut si bien me son. Ça me va me tout non. Mais c'est il veut si bien me son. C'est na me. C'est you.
Achi sa yo pero.
C'est na me. C'est you. When you tia Celestia koye. Papa nyamie, you when you tia Celestia menufie.
Intirisia maninye ye.
Apatre mayasa, sacro e moazan. Minia o adei manupa. E komede odi asensa. Come on. Erade, I am in Caribbean free fear. Papa, I am in Caribbean free fear. Come on. I atwa me apena ana se du fie.
DJ me dase. Anyum we are smart pao. Samere wo ametonyo. Sa melody wo se kwa de ta papa.
For the pa.
Wow. Wo dedicate nyum ma kwa de. Nyamu nshira.
O senior man. We not change amenya na me fa mu no. Engum.
Mo no ni. Na mpacho wo mo no so be ho ana wende.
Me wo. Eno me na no yes adem.
It's here the royal aroma rice.
Young man.
Ya de nyina. Kumene mama nsuo.
That's it.
Ai, again beckham. O meko no so wa ha o.
Pesa me de akokọ ne ho angwa no kakra. Apetu weso.
Oh, okay. Fameye nsuo ni.
That's it.
Jollof de obia wo said your pro pede emra na pede ade.
Me pede e a eyi mako baako.
Oh, okay. Nti e jollof na na egusi.
Na me nche me moko ne kakra.
Okay.
Ko ne wato no de da.
Me ko ne yo okay o.
Okay. Nti na no dan. Oh, I check am.
I check am papa. Come
on.
Yeah.
No.
Come on. Okay. Inti ya jollof na esisai.
Jollof nka ma me ade ana nka me yi enam na me nche ne bu. nanka me hwie stock we gu se na be ya me nya taste na me pen ti me pade nanka me hwie na mo we gu
ene yi gu ha na si enya nchi ye die
sa
would be gu ha
sharp
anti ye wie anti stock no be kwa I think so better apeja pie na ho na hye
sa
okay nti ye the stock no eba ye jollof nim obi kan ka tasty tom jollof mix there unya ye ni si anka unya meko ni nchi but say stock no be ye kwa paade okay oh corona nti ye be kan jollof ahe
aminu mu kakra na
Alpha baby ansa ho.
Benyanche kakra.
Benyanche kakra.
Ha anti.
Enchene ho.
Enchene anti ne musa anti pese me de kakra bi pitim.
Abrantepa. Owie ya ni edi. Ai. Wow.
Mountain kakra.
Waka wonchina he okay.
Ai bibia e fine.
Ebe okay say ho. Oh. Ncho mekunma. O chicken so na. O si ebe yi.
Ase, isi so ache.
Okay. Ani yenyi ye. Enti family wo free kuro be so.
Pato me mama ya Santini o fra Sante Mampo. Me papa ye Nzimani. Ono zo free si ama, but unza Sante for the dia na dia. Ya, bia me kasa mi fra Sante Mampo.
Oh, achin ai ebo yin kumana na.
Me dem nsokra. Nya we kuro nso.
Wonim sa momra ne no.
Oh, me say, minimum.
Family.
Oh, me na na.
Asante Mampon. Mampon.
Kontonchi.
Oh, ene ma wonim kontonchi da. Wonim sa ya ka kontonchi aje so say.
Minimum.
Ebo a ehi ekuma. Wonim ekuma. Ekuma na ne di jani. The only more thing to the sense amon kwa na mutumi sin e ma ne hu.
Hey.
Sana Mampon mra ne tie.
Minimum.
Ebo ehi ekuma na. Anti ebusia second batch ekom. Yes. Second batch. Come. Ekom. Oh, family odiani tata unu baby but
ekoso.
Ekoso. Yo Asante Mampon abrantie.
Me tia me nana obehwe.
Sao.
Onde fans nyane pa. Nana besua.
Nana dai.
Besua.
Mampon here. Padaroma, what do you?
Isiade. Tense me jollof no. Me pese me twa carrot na kesa ni green beans ni bugu se ni be ya obi enya na ma. Obetumi yi no ayere.
Oh, okay.
Se be ni obi aka nskra na pe no.
Ane. Ene mami ni hama.
Sampacho ya me jollof ya no oluwa. Ijana ma me kakra.
Oluwa na matia. Wow, nessa kesie se ya. Ntino. Me dane chicken am ne be wie no.
Sabe.
Ah, me dane no. Was no so etwitwa no vegetables.
I think say.
Eyo.
We ne. Isiade. We ne. Nti. Pato mbi so ma me na me mfa. We ni ndu so.
Oh, okay. Enti green beans no. Any carrots no.
Sa.
Buy a jollof ni mu. Wow. Nese mekono so say ya na family.
Mokoni de me twan me chi we ni wi a. Akukọ ni wi a me hwe hu angwa no kakra. Egu mu ya chen.
Oh, okay.
My say na bi abo ano.
We wi a na sa ho.
Bi abo ano.
Wow. Kafra kakra hwe ne nsa be mapa. Ne nsa.
Jollof de. Oh ya unum bebre nyesa ebebubu.
Nti say ya. Na say ya the heat no na ebe no ano.
Sabe pepe.
Okay, na me ma also trick back.
Okay.
Why? Me ma trick back.
Okay.
Say Drew said ya. And also bet to me the not queen. Come neat ebuaso.
Okay.
Na we jama. Ve pana no ama. Royal Aroma rice na yiyi no ho ma akoma.
Come.
Na testi tom no so agi mama na ide.
Sharp.
Ani. Inti no, ya chicken no. Ya hwe.
Chicken no da bin.
Inti yenyi yo. Okay, ne yenyi ko. Na o hwe ma odi an wa yo.
Me wi kwa.
Yeah, na yen hwe se de obaye o meko no. Na fe ye hu se be twa ye ho aba.
Sure.
Wow. Okay, nti ye na mabusua. Na fe ya ba meko no ho.
No. Gede kakra be pete. Akokọ no.
Odi meko no kakra be pete akokọ no. Oh, okay.
Pacho obetumi do jana mama.
Medu no.
Ti mi hwe angwa no kakra bi egu moko no.
Oh, okay.
Na me de ni aka na si o. Because abia no ya na me de moko no kakra de afa. Pacho mpija we mfi o mama.
Sao. Ana mama ma wade ne sa.
Okay.
And if it's just okay. Okay. Ebusia, Fameye sauce no, are you ready? Chicken are you ready?
Bibia.
Jollof so akakra. Na are you ready? Aye. And na ebe ko commercial break ba Fameye bibi obi abeya na.
Sisi ade me twama. Emona ben.
Me
bibia.
And na DJ you ready na mama long life. Na mo me dia seda my high sense. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Launcher kitchen. Awake purified drinking water. Royal Aroma rice. Maggi delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti, sana Borges olive oil, and a Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. Abusia, baby I didn't ever try and waba. Because for me, I didn't and I kono. I can't say I didn't never kono befa home. Now you jollof a bean, now you serve, now you do edition time. Na ye didi. And until we say you try and waba. DJ my nyum na never call commercial break. Come on, long life. Already and one yes through long life. We are one of my baby.
If you give me benzo, I never give me long life. For me and you baby are there right to. Kiss and metiasia no be my mind to. I don't say one day we go die. But no be today. It's who I'm a dive, no I'm in class. I know I'm show. Mama quantente, Papa, Mama quantente, what am I saying? Mama quantente, you want to shot me for and Papa, Mama quantente,
In 1967, High Sense and Dasukra Boshim said, Yadia, ya beye home appliances, a ye papa, nane bo edda from ama ankra, I will reasia for nangina. High Sense, yadia, the wagwa ya wanna say, yan your ma yet, a buanipa, a walk on your senginas, and your nama mimusawe, a dear Ben Sana we here, refrigerator, air conditioner, television, gas cooker, electric cooker, iron, rice cooker, washing machine, steamer, kettle, mobile phone, sound system, and now blender, a mongra, to an amount High Sense showroom BM. Najidi said, Ubenya diane water from Pato. A sense and GM would say any of my papented. High Sense a penny Jumekua, a timim 5 years warranty. Ye show one when you did that, and to yen see one from. Now, dear, well, her neck in the bar, some swat. You just see you come, and your may, papa, and your ma, if you your ma, and saying in a more day. Another High Sense, yeah, High Sense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
351-251.
My husband deserves the best jollof. Yay! And so do my kids. Not necessary, dear. Because for the first time in Ghana, we have the new Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. This has all the pepper, onion, thyme, curry powder, ginger, garlic, and tomatoes I need to cook my tasty jollof with no stress at all. All I do is pour my oil, add Tasty Tom Jollof Mix, fry for 4 minutes, and add water, some cube and salt, and finally rice. And my tasty jollof is ready in only 45 minutes.
So tasty.
New Tasty Tom Jollof Mix. Remember to wash your hands regularly. Stay home and eat healthy.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy.
It's good to be trusted. just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
I had invited the boss for lunch.
Okay.
Then I get called to handle some emergency. So I called my auntie Na to help her, but she gets stuck somewhere. So I call hubby. Now it's up to me and him to save the day with help from something special. The new Dedede seasoning from Maggi, specially made from natural fish, shrimps, and other ingredients to give your cooking that special Dedede taste.
Dedede. Come see me Monday morning.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges olive oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is...
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Made a sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be there 9.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA, ahwehwɛ saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye ato mu sɛ ɛyɛ.
McBrown's kitchen, Ediane pa ede. Ebusia for edition time nie. Ediane no I ready bibia is set. Na me koso na madabo afo ase because without sponsors no, mini show sa. And until high sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Says a Tasty Tom ebusia. And one year because vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin D womb. Now I have vitamins when you know boost your immune system and a year my. Made I wake purified drinking water. I wake a sister open your man to afa Africa Sapekwan. Phone number is 050-167-8615. Awake number no 1 for life. Sana me da launch kitchen ase. Opese sesi o jare dia ko Instagram sisi a. Ene Facebook ubenye omu number na ne watumi afro mu. Bomidin na try say what I say. Ebe ma percentage. Ude bomidin na kasa of McBrown's kitchen. Eye den ya ubenya percentage. Ai. Me da Royal Kitchen Wear official Ghana say. Omu no ma me chense mam de aduane. Eno so se wo pe bi dia frɛ 020-813-8885. I umbe so kama. I was saying delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. Nini na our market. But I see be brave. Me that Borges I say. Borges olive oil. And na yet number 1 olive the whole world. And no. And your promise. And what be an answer olive oil be a promise. Won't be just a second grade. And until Borges and a first grade. And no na me come for more. Me that Royal Aroma Rice I say. And na yebedi mua wadi woman no ane Royal Aroma Rice. I would me the jollof, utimi de ammonia and mutio, bibia de moye bia rice water, what I say, a ye emanaye de into Royal Aroma Rice, medamoase. Adeba kwa kamedia ni wa minim say, ebemana ye de, ama familia enya 100%, eye magi de de. I magi de because of on say flavor no, shrimp, dry fish. I'm manini adwena aka shrimp no plus garlic there you can't go wrong magide de madam wase baby Drew it's time my family who say this is the only show I work Ghana ha wo kwa uko show no so na uko fia na yet say the uko shopping no me ka bibia say the Ghana you also a channel my bro McBrown's kitchen omra me in life family ben me na me ntra say enyama we nyina from sponsors wo from down to top Kasapra kosime ma awake purified drinking water. Sana mema royal drinks. What I say? Now here. So uni girl ya fama mami. Ana uni yire.
Bibia ku.
Debi ya no. Mami dia na girl ne dia.
Oh, Gane dia.
When you and me more chance papa. Aye, Sonnes Diecast, Royal Kitchenware official. I said official Ghana for dia. Me free up at it to say who high sense. As me more rice cooker. Rice cooker. Out with the young quine, which me no more. Ono so hye bibia opeso hit bia utimi de call me ba chohwe magi de no ho unsa Nestle fo e na ye magi de ntu hwe ha se ya magi de hye ha se ai if you magi de pe na me ma tasty tom tasty tom we a gentleman tasty tom for me ma tasty tom and rich tomato mix any jollof mix now the be amunu nie me ma royal aroma rice and a Borges olive oil and sana delay mackerel delay sardine delay spaghetti who say ya there pa
straight away
that's it ya boy jetri no enti Fameye enema nyina ya wodia
unsu nya da
bibia mama bibia nyame sha so ba wa okay na ye be di wadi ane no edition time no ha na edition time Fameye am so for kunya call left to mama okay and me ha
okay
you see okay
good
edition time on McBrown's kitchen. Nunti no yebeko Fameye nyumba kunye di aje ye fan no tata. I McBrown's kitchen fan. DJ bomenyum na ye fan je ye fan. Hey, now welcome. Ketra. Hi, me dem share dem brother. Any mama, any mama, any mama. We never go give up, never. God go change your story, amen. My sister, he go change your story, amen. My sister, God go change your story, my sister, he go change your story. DJ, thank you, yes, thank you. DJ Mawura who to say
Pacho nyame adome hoye
asa na efe won fe Pacho frozen
Pacho ya fe mama ketua
Pacho mama kese wen
Pacho ho
vie Fameye ya fan ni o ya ni mbedi de ohima tena se mama ketua ene mama panyim so metina ni e wo fa so ni
papa
wo fa ye
Bia come
of I do jollof no. Mama Ketwa. Me pacho we adwuma we.
Pacho me adwuma was City of Angels Boutique.
Wow, ewe.
Ewo Shell Signboard Smooth Taste Food.
Wow, any akwaba McBrown's kitchen. Yeah, ba be didi why. Fameye be bompa ya na.
Oh yeah.
Okay, any yanko. Kakra bi won.
Hineja was ozi on to one is brother moto was as do man that is banner for him boneche. Duane e be di man nyensha. Nembi kwa ma amen.
Amen. Enfantia.
Mutumu kankaka.
Kitwa. Enwezi mania. Abrante na yeye. Nti eba bezi ai. Oso temfanti.
Pacha.
Etimata.
Pacha.
Na mewu. Fameye ube bie jollof na so. Na ketwa bie chicken na so. Na me bie me konzo nti yenko ye nyina na ebe. Eja oba na so so konkonzi mu. Amen.
Amen.
Fameye chale
more than
wow, this is more than Inti ebe sefe ye won Amenya ni star bi mamu ai
okay
nkoko matu we dada manfo edi ana na nembe seven no ebe miamia so ho mbe yi ni kukuru ama wati
atia
yes Fameye ojolof ni kama
me ya de o me ya de pa
Fameye unya bi
me nya ba kuso
when they do also nya more than God
okay more than God
Later you are more than God
more than
sana okay
onya me dem into me
na then I okay
we are more than
any woman go for it is in studio Yenina Sanya to know. Boy, what do you want here?
Oh, Major.
And yes, Nan Kanya couple than I watch him. Okay, Mimi, dear, you own. I have an papa as what I know. Credit. Women's Aben.
Hey, a cafe on some matter. I've been some matter Benassi. Number Tias about Matthias.
Hey, Musho, dear. To me from Mammy, more than to the Hey, Musho, idiot. I'm choppy. Mamma won't for baby. I want to say, come
on. Ah, man.
Okay, I wish you for. Yourself, your own way into your baby diddy. I get to your bumpire, I tell one than Antino. Sure. Fameye. Yeah, and you been ye. Running more than amen. Jollof. Fameye Jollof. Ketwa wood in me per se. Sabra family de onim no. Pa sana nyom pe me boa. Say you bugu ye de. We any part wa. Aha. Nti wood ni na wo dwen asama peso bisa no. Family. What do you come on? Meaning the ketwa so be dwen. O Jollof ni a guy.
Madam was a pan.
Oh no, you are one. Into a baba. I'm here, them so we are done.
Pachane.
At there be built to a set. Two baby son, and now we're winning.
Pachane.
And I can't have Bisana.
Pachon person will be son is say. Yen I him say a friend of family. Banidianka sad design.
Family Midiankasa. Family Peter Fameye. But mistake name family and spellings name different from my family name, but pronunciation is the same. To me, Peter Fameye. Peter Parkusi Fameye, yeah.
Hey, we didn't Peter Fameye. It's a footballer, the Hunza. Wow, Fameye. Because we are better. And Brabita. So far in the industry, how are you enjoying it? Saying I will enjoy fame noir. Ya media man.
Oh. Mom there. Enjoyment the woman for now and say. Let's say a woman you baby me too maybe I mammy be mammy penny go frame I catch him say. When you send him crying, you know. Sasa a mammy in the gym. But apart from that, Sikano no money man be a be money a plus. But ni a mammy in the gym pan say matter say. Penny for one quality na team na me na be na matter. But other bonuses we can want to say going to name.
I'm so proud of you, sir. Okay, I don't feel bogo so. Mostly no. Gabe started with customer free crime. Now, maybe I will free. That's just a break a crack.
Okay.
I would ever do her.
Okay.
And to me, sir, men will say enjoyment na eba no sika fa mo so to sing.
Oh, any bad yakoso.
That is 3 years, 3 years na. 3 years na ka we asre ba.
Yakoso. Any bad
Oh, okay.
I said this year na ka was a course of more na. Senior man corona den no abejima.
Oh. Aha yin na ho.
O se un pede. O jini ma che kakra.
Oh,
yes, I can't go in much and so you cock out to me, Chemi, cool like a buffer.
Oh, come here. Which me James car?
Which me Chemi car. I'm looking for.
Oh, okay. Madam Jamon, let you say, but you make come to me.
You never could be a store.
A family and I say, Mrs. O'Carter, why I did a VIP one?
Oh, yes, more.
Wow. Now did you have run?
Oh, Rabbi, I won't say, I do. Question is a buyer. Besides, a day, I'm my pen. Like always, I mean, I'm commanding money. Until first of all, I did a medical kind of way, then I'm coupon from a bonnet.
And so,
but We couldn't say money be of VIP bus.
Now, Kobo was one.
Now, Kobo was so. Now, Kobo was so.
And a much of them.
Yeah, quite no one. You so into me trying my uncle run something.
So soon, person, I'm
but and now they're nice. I didn't some.
Okay, so you had to say it because who feel say
and Uncle Foy, you know, so who yes, I know I steady.
And I want to mean I found you.
David.
Such it.
Oh, 4 years as I'm making.
Oh, now I hate him.
David.
Fameye Monko, what is new? Then be now we new one. Also Ghana 40.
Okay. For now, I think that we focus now about and you be a more comfort quad to an title new comfort quad. And it's doing so well. And so after that, me album be about somewhere next month. I was supposed to release an EP, but Corona and I'm messing it happen to me the album. Beba Adanti. Ghana for much is our space.
Wow. Ketwa. Everybody was what? So about McBrown's kitchen. From here before so about come. Can we be true fancy?
Oh. Me kasa tintin bia.
Odi anede pa.
Me da se. Na me say me fan nya ne say ene madofo, ne ma me ni penifo nya so mo nkoso a no mo support Fameye. Nyom papa no de me de be ba mo say nya de amesesa no da. Back to back. Na nya say ba mo be support me. Ni also down no, ni also share no share. Do bibia say bogo so fo nya so me chomo.
Sanet.
Asante mampo. Ashoman State, Madina. Enzima. Nankupon share mo.
Asa won't pon wansem. O kasa na wonyum to no bibia e won say don pon wansem.
Oh, me mpe me wansem de but se bibia bibi nkoyi a ho na bia me kulia kakra se nipa bia e wade a ompe ade bi obidie wa ompe ma waspake.
Yeah. Na kana sa wonyum nyina da bokosa. Me refi se me bisa o ka facha me.
Different. Nti ya mitaka ka brabo mu nsem ni ade. Obi wa onyi no. Sebe dwaman. Ana ofi mu ano de nani hu e ma 17. Ono so tumi ka ma so bi to ya wonu to stem. Nti otu nyu bi a waseme wo me wo. Bi so wo brefo me nso mi free sa background. Nti ya me nyu bi am pese me de to na mpenifo ne nkwana nyina atumi ye den etie me. Me nso ne me ya metumi ye ni ye pa no.
Fameye. That's what.
This is my dad's apparent.
Why dear?
I'm sure.
Oh, dear, Ned. Ketwa. Where did you?
I try.
Why dear? Like a twin. McBrown's kitchen, they say, na ye no. You're fun, you don't want to see a guest now. And unto your mouth, apple cider way. Now, what me to be a dear, know to be swam be. I shall also ye. Na mama, iron free high sense. I apple cider if you budgets for her. Until iron if we high sense. Na mama chance with the bed no aduane. Come if free royal kitchen will official Ghana for Obapa. Me that's what it. Nyama nyina mu meso McBrown's kitchen sanitizer me de chill what it. Na me sure pa say Oba McBrown's kitchen. Okay? Okwa me chebu safo nyina.
Pache
you. Bye. Asante mampa brante.
Yeah.
Wo so wodi enie. Hand sanitizer me de ka oniema no amount. I say won say na de obi ahia bi o. Ai. Eno chebu safo. Ha na McBrown's kitchen ye de besie. Medidi ankasa ma me danuanu mi asese o meka me ho ma show no eye mu a sa na me de aseda PSC Emma sponsors nyina High Sense Tasty Tom Awake purified drinking water, royal rice, Borges olive oil, delay spaghetti, sanam de asida Emma, Maggie de Royal Kitchenware official Ghana, and a launcher. And no, me da boafo yase. Ye be share bio na o chesene. Me nuanie an salona. Wo betumi akọ anytime wo betumi afre wo no bebe fie be yama. Beauty Bowl Salon and Spa. Kona ko twetwon ho. Letimi daye. Me da ase. Allergina na me makeup and a Royal Couture. Eso share matade. Into McBrown ye Fameye nie DJ Manyum baako na ya more than nobody dey.
Emu bia.
Hey. Ya beso. Hey.
Yes, you want my baby make you never lie me straight.
Chamitoli.
Tama kume muani go see sabi boli. Baby I will tell. I'm a many sort of. But if I say the kind of love I get for you for the time. Cause if I see somebody there, maybe I will die. Or if I say somebody there, maybe I will die. If she say nobody there, nobody there, nobody there. Come on, nobody there, nobody there.
Get up!
She's happy, baby. I'm
you sure say nobody there? You sure say nobody there?
Nobody there. Nobody there.
Maybe I will cry. Thank you. See you next week.
McBrown's Kitchen, again in Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's Kitchen, again in Petto. McBrown's Kitchen, bring us so. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen, again in Petto. McBrown's Kitchen.